इस परचम के साथ तले हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। इस परचम
Murree, one of Pakistan's coldest tourism destinations, reported around 22 deaths last week. It happened due to a predicted imminent blizzard and a lot of negligence, as authorities didn't feel that it was important to let the people know of the weather conditions, although they themselves already knew it. Furthermore, on-duty personnel responsible to get the snow out using their snow-removing vehicles, they were also not present. Also, at least 15 hotels have been sealed for taking advantage of the situation, where they reportedly charged customers 10% of what they usually do. For example, usually they charge $34, $35 for a specific room, but this time they were charging almost $400. Same was the situation with food prices in restaurants. It is speculated that this resulted a lot of people to go spend the night in their cars, out of which 22 people died because of either hypothermia or asphyxiation. This is not the first time that something of this sort happened in Murree. Well, people will cry for a little bit, but they will go back to Murree to make some beautiful, beautiful TikToks instead of boycotting them. But who will they boycott? France! For making a cartoon of some random Arab dude who's not even alive. But lives of their own people don't matter to them. There is no unity. But they would still like to think
हम एक हैं।